Peter, where are we going?
Out to Gethsemane, I think, Judas. You know how much you like this place. Well, why do you ask?
I just remembered I have someplace very important that I need to go. I'll catch up with you later.
Listen to me, my friends. You will all desert me tonight, for it is written, I will strike the shepherd and the sheep will be scattered. But after I have risen, I will go ahead of you into Galilee.
No, even if they all desert you, I never will.
I assure you, Peter, before the rooster crows you will disown me 3 times.
Even if I have to die with you, I will never disown you. Me either.
No, we won't either one.
I'm going over there to pray. All of you stay here except for Peter, James, and John. You 3, come with me. My soul has been crushed to the point of death. Stay here and keep watch with me. Father, if it is possible, let this cup pass from me. But let not my will, but yours be done. Simon, are you asleep?
What is it, Lord?
Couldn't you keep watch with me for 1 hour? Watch and pray so that you will not fall into temptation. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. I'm going back to pray again. Father, if it is possible for this cup to pass from me, if I have to drink it, let your will be done. Simon, James, John, have I asked such a great thing for you to be with me now, to watch and pray? Simon? Father, please, if it is possible, take this cup from me, but let your will, not mine, be done. Are you still sleeping and resting? Enough. The hour has come. Look, the Son of Man is about to be betrayed into the hands of sinners. Get up, let's go! Here comes my betrayer.
The one that I kissed will be Jesus. You can arrest him. Greetings, Rabbi.
Judas, you betraying the Son of Man with a kiss?
Seize him.
Should we draw our swords? Enough! Put away your swords! Those who live by the sword die by the sword. Shall I not drink the cup that the Father has given me? Don't you realize that I could call my Father and he would at once put more than 12 legions of angels at my disposal? But how then would the writings be fulfilled that say it must happen this way? Priests, elders, am I leading a rebellion that you come out with swords and clubs to capture me? Every day I was with you in the temple courts, and you didn't arrest me then. But this is your hour, when darkness reigns.
Come on, guys, let's get out of here. Hey, you were also Jesus the Galilean.
No, I don't know what you mean.
Hey, everybody, this man is Jesus of Nazareth.
No, I swear I don't know the man.
No, you're one of them. Your accent gives you away.
No, leave me alone. I swear by all that is sacred. May God strike me dead if I'm lying. I don't know this man.
Do you claim to be the Son of God?
I have spoken openly to the world. I always taught in the synagogues or at the temple, I have said nothing in secret. Why are you questioning me? Ask those who heard me. Surely they know what I said.
Do you dare talk to the priest that way?
If you say anything wrong, testify as to what is wrong. If I spoke truth, why did you strike me?
Who testifies against this man?
I do. We heard him say, I can pull down God's temple and rebuild it in 3 days.
Right.
Yeah, that's exactly what he said.
Are you going to answer these charges? By the living God, I charge you. Tell us if you are the Messiah, the Son of God.
You said it. But I tell you all that you will see the Son of Man sitting at the right hand of power, coming on the clouds of heaven.
Ah, you heard him. He's spoken blasphemy. Why do we need any more witnesses? You've heard this blasphemy. What do you think?
Dead! Jesus, dead!
Blasphemer, and he deserves to die.
Hey, Messiah, divine for us who struck you. Let's take him to Pilate. We'll tell him that this man claims to be a king.
All right.
Yeah,
that's right.
yeah.
Yeah.
What charges are you bringing against this guy?
Would we have handed him over to you if he weren't a criminal?
Well, you take him. Judge him according to your law.
It is illegal for us to execute anyone.
You. Are you the king of the Jews?
Come up with this yourself, or did others tell you about me?
Now, I am no Jew. It was your nation and your chief priests who handed you over to me. What have you done?
My kingdom is not of this world. If my kingdom were of this world, my servants would fight to prevent my arrest by the Jews. But my kingdom is not from here.
So you're not a king then?
You are saying that I am a king, and for this reason I have been born. For this is I have come into creation, to testify about the truth. Everyone who is of the truth hears my voice.
Truth. What is truth? I find no fault in him, since it's your custom for me to release a prisoner to you at the time of the Passover. Do you want me to release the king of the Jews?
No.
You want me to release the murderer Barabbas instead of this Jesus? Centurion, have this man beaten and then bring him back out to me.
A little bit of justice. I can't believe the way he talks. It's disgusting.
Says you God, son. He's a king.
King?
King of mine.
No! Please!
Oh, Jesus. Looks like you're going to have to be doing some healing play because...
No!
4!
No! No!
I don't hear him talking now.
Lord, save yourself!
6! 7!
Oh, that one got me with some blood.
Woo! I gotta get a closer look.
9!
Awesome.
This looks like divine justice.
10!
Where are your people?
Oh.
11!
Did you see that one splash?
12!
Oh.
Please, no!
13!
Come on.
Stop hitting him!
15! 16!
Oh, come on. He deserves every bit of it. Yes. Yes. Start healing yourself, Jesus. Come on.
20!
No more!
41!
God.
Enough!
22!
Let me stop!
23!
Oh, you're not.
I don't know, I'm handling that.
25!
Oh, that's going to be one.
26! 27! 28!
Please stop, Lord.
29.
Please,
Oh, yeah.
30.
Oh, did you see that little leg twitch?
31.
Oh, this is delightful.
Please stop.
33.
This is so...
34. Almost there. 35.
Come on, keep going, keep going.
36.
Finally, we're going to get rid of this guy.
38.
Yes, keep it going.
39.
Oh, yes. All of you. Was great. Oh. Come on, Jesus. I thought you were the Son of God.
All of you. I'm bringing him out so that you may know that I find no fault in him. Here he is.
Crucify him.
No.
Crucify him? What should I do with the King of the Jews?
Crucify him.
He needs to be crucified.
Fine, you take him and crucify him, but I find no fault in him.
Our law says he must die because he claimed to be God's son.
Jesus, where do you come from? Are you refusing to answer me? Don't you realize that I have the power to free you or to have you crucified?
You would have no power over me if it were not given to you from above. Therefore, the one who handed you over to me has greater sin.
Hey, if you let him go, you are no friend of Caesar. Anyone who claims to be a king opposes Caesar.
See this? I wash my hands. Here's your king.
Take him, come on, we got
Come on. He deserves death.
Quiet! So I should crucify your king.
We have no king but Caesar. Crucify him.
Crucify him.
I am innocent of this man's blood. It is your responsibility.
His blood be on us and on our children.
Yes.
Crucify him.
Crucify him.
Guards, take this man to be crucified.
Yes. Finally, justice is being served. I can't believe this guy. Where's he at? Have they got him down here yet? What's going on? They better not be changing their minds. I'm ready to see this guy die for what he's done.
I heard him. He's coming.
Oh, here he comes. Carry your cross, Jesus. Come on. Come on now. What are you, tired? Oh, I thought you were the Son of God. You can carry a cross. Come on. Nothing heavy. Come on, King.
Come on, King. Oh, King. Yeah, there you are.
You make me sick. Can't believe the things you said. Absolutely ridiculous. You deserve that cross. Oh, this is the best one, I tell you. I love this. Oh, I hope you a good crucifixion.
That's right, string him up. Let's go.
Yep. Soldiers, you might as well put in as many as you can. He deserves every bit of it.
Yeah, he said his father.
Put those nails in.
Nail him down tight. Let's go.
Put those nails in. Yeah.
That's my son.
Yeah.
No,
Hold him
that
good
is
and
my
tight.
son.
Come on.
That is my son.
Come on, don't let him pull you out there. There
I don't know what I'm doing!
Stop.
you go. I love it.
Oh, my son, stop.
He's saved, brother.
He's
Let
innocent.
him save himself if he's God's anointed one.
He's innocent.
All right.
No.
Yeah. but he didn't kill him. We've been waiting for this.
Finally,
brother.
Finally.
Finally.
Right on.
Finally. It took us a while, but we took care of
Got
it.
it. Yeah, you got it done.
We took care of it. Yeah. Oh, check it out, Jesus.
Aren't you the Messiah? If you are, save yourself and us.
Don't you fear God? We are being justly punished. But this man has done nothing wrong. Jesus, remember me when you come into your kingdom.
I assure you, you will be with me in paradise.
So dark. What happened? Hey, where'd
the sun go?
What's that? So dark.
It's finished. Father, into your hands I commend my spirit.